Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io Google Drive Sync not working issues in 2026. So if your diagrams are not syncing, changes are not updating, or Google Drive files are not loading properly, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak connection can interrupt synchronization and prevent changes from being uploaded. Next, verify that you're signed into the correct Google account. Using the wrong account can make it seem like files are missing or not syncing. Now reconnect Google Drive inside Draw.io. Log out of your storage account and sign in again to refresh permissions. Next, check whether Google Drive has enough available storage. If your storage is full, new changes may not sync successfully. Now refresh Draw.io and reopen the diagram. Temporary connection issues can often be fixed with a simple reload. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using the web version. Corrupted browser data can interfere with cloud synchronization. Now make sure Draw.io has permission to access your Google Drive files. Revoked permissions can stop syncing completely. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can block cloud services and synchronization features. Now update your browser and Draw.io to the latest version to avoid compatibility problems. Finally, save a backup copy of your diagram and reconnect Google Drive before testing synchronization again. And that's it, you've successfully fixed Draw.io Google Drive sync not working issues. Now your diagrams should sync properly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.